Assalamualaikum, welcome back to another video on Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the Lockpicker Part 3 mission in Roblox Wanted. If this video helps you out, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To complete this mission, you need to unlock or crack 50 lockers or safes. This can be a bit time consuming, but I'll show you the exact strategy and locations. First, join a large crowded server with around 20 or more players. Head over to the syndicate area and search around these spots. Look for small lockers or safes like this one and crack them. They will count towards your total. Next, check all the surrounding garage shutters and nearby buildings. You can also head over to this area where there are several garages. As you can see, there is another safe right here, which I am unlocking now. Keep searching the surrounding buildings. Every time you switch servers, make sure to recheck these exact spots. Look, here is another one right in this area. I'll unlock this one as well. As you can see, I managed to find 3 lockers in just one server session. If you find that there are no more lockers or safes available in your current server, simply leave. Go to the active section and join another populated server with around 20 plus players. Once you load in, hop in your car, head back out and recheck these exact locations. As you can see, another one has spawned right here. Simply match the numbers shown to crack it open. That is all it takes. My Lockpicker Part 3 mission is now complete. Now, I just need to head over to the Surveyor and turn in the mission to claim the reward. Thank you for watching.